Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Internet of Things. Get ready to uncover the core components that drive this transformative technology. Today we'll unlock the secrets of the IoT ecosystem. 1. Sensors and actuators sensing the world. Imagine waking up to a world where your home knows your preferences before you even speak. This is the power of sensors and actuators. Sensors detect changes in the environment, like adjusting the thermostat based on the weather. Actuators respond to those changes, like turning off lights when no one's in the room. Think of them as the sensors and limbs of the digital world, making your life smoother and more efficient. Example: smart thermostat. For instance, consider a smart thermostat. It senses the temperature in your home and adjusts it to your desired level. If it detects that you've left for the day, it conserves energy by lowering the temperature. When it senses your return, it warms up the house. This not only optimizes comfort but also reduces energy consumption. 2. Connectivity protocols, the language of IoT. All those sensors and devices need a way to communicate effectively, and that's where connectivity protocols come into play. These are like the languages IoT devices use to talk to each other. Let's say you have a smart fridge, a wearable fitness tracker, and a home security system. Each device might speak a different protocol, but they need to understand each other to work harmoniously. Example: smart home integration. Imagine you're driving back home, and you want your house to be ready for your arrival. Through IoT, your GPS-enabled car communicates with your smart home system. It uses a specific protocol to tell your home to turn on the lights, adjust the thermostat, and even start playing your favorite music. This seamless integration is all thanks to connectivity protocols. 3. Data processing, insights from the chaos. Data is the lifeblood of IoT, but it's useless unless we can make sense of it. That's where data processing steps in. Think of it as a digital brain that takes raw data and transforms it into actionable insights. It's like turning a mountain of numbers into a clear path forward. Example: predictive maintenance. Consider a fleet of delivery trucks equipped with IoT sensors. These sensors monitor everything from engine performance to tire pressure. Data from these sensors is collected and analyzed in real time. Through complex algorithms, patterns emerge. The system can predict when a truck's maintenance is due, preventing breakdowns and optimizing operations. 4. User interface, making technology human. Even the most sophisticated IoT system is meaningless without an interface that users can interact with. User interfaces bridge the gap between technology and humans, making complex data and functions accessible and understandable. Example: smart home control. Picture this: you're on vacation, and suddenly you remember you left the lights on at home. With a user-friendly IoT app, you can remotely access your smart home's interface. You turn off the lights and even check the security cameras to ensure everything's okay. The interface simplifies the complex operations happening behind the scenes. Conclusion. And there you have it, the main components that drive the magic of the IoT ecosystem. From sensors and connectivity protocols to data processing and user interfaces, each element is a piece of a grand technological puzzle. As we continue to unlock the power of IoT, remember that these components work in harmony, creating a smarter and more connected world. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep embracing the limitless potential of technology.